Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to show you how to set up cross-domain tracking with Google Tag Manager. I'm assuming you've already got Tag Manager. If not, I'll put a link in the description video on how to download and get it. So the first thing you want to do is create a variable. A variable is going to be your Google Analytics variable to make sure that all tags moving forward have the same setup. It's very important when working cross-domain tracking, because if you do one thing wrong, like an event, it's going to come up as direct or none or referral and not your true source. So you'll scroll down and click Google Analytics settings, put in your tracking ID, you're going to go down to more settings, you're going to go down to cross-domain tracking, and here's where you want to put your two domains. Now, for my example, I'm using this one here. Followed by their third-party booking engine. Perfect. So the next thing you want to do is you want to create a page view tag. So page view, then look setting. For this one, my trigger is going to be all pages. So once you've hit preview, you've got a little orange banner. Perfect. Now go to my site. Get a little debugger. So when I click on the book now and it goes to a third-party engine, usually you lose all of your tracking. Now with cross-domain tracking, obviously it takes the click data and the attribution data over, as well as the session data in a URL query parameter. You can change that to a fragment parameter, which is the hash symbol, if that's how your website works. So I'll click book now, and you can see that it's carried over my session, my client ID, and any other parameters that Google needs to attribute the two sessions. The last thing you need to do is go to your admin section of your Google Analytics container. Then you need to go to tracking info. Then need to go to referral exclusion list. You need to add an exclusion. Now in this case, it will be the first domain that you started with. So in my case, it will be excluding this to make sure that that doesn't come up in the reports as a referral. Therefore, it will stitch it together, and the source of the second domain will also be the source of the first domain. So everything that happened on the second domain, including purchases, will also have the original source from the traffic that came to the site. Thank you.